Light it on top. Over the top of the bow. Light it down.
Alright, right now it's on single.
Yeah.
You want me to put it on automatic?
Yeah.
Alright. That's crazy, if you're gonna hold the trigger, it's gonna want to rise. Make sure you bend your knees and lean into it and try to keep it down.
Okay.
If you can't control it, let the trigger go.
Okay.
Go for it.
Safety?
Huh?
Safety or what?
No, it's on fire now.
Okay. Okay. You ready?
I'm ready.
As you can. As you can.
Oh. Okay. Can I put this one in?
Huh?
I want to put this one in.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Hoe was het, Gerard?
Oh, good. You're going to finish the clip.
Oh.
Not that bad.
It's light, it's small.
We burned that one.